Okay, Dave and I have rowed the length of the lake. It's actually, we were blown the length of the lake down to the far end. I guess that would be like the northeastern side. There's a fire ring down here, kind of a tent campsite. It's a pretty cool little spot. So we beached the boat over here. I'll show you that in a second. But yeah, if you had a couple of tents, some people, friends hanging out, this would be a good little spot. Some kind of mushrooms here. Dave, you want to make some mushrooms? Dave, you like mushrooms? I wonder what those ones are. And here's a fresh one just punching through. I don't know what kind they are. So this is the river that feeds into Wallop Lake, little stream, I guess. So it comes in here, and you see that we have beached the boat over here in a little inlet channel. So the boat is sheltered from the water on the lake. So we are down here, and we have to row this thing all the way back up there in that wind and waves. So what we're going to try and do is hug the shoreline over there and make our way back up. Or catch a really big fish and tow us up. But yeah, anyway, so that is our view down here at the end of the lake. There used to be like a little walkway or something. Yeah, it looks like once upon a time there was a footbridge here, but it's been destroyed and never fixed. Huh, interesting. Dave and I have been rowing against the wind, trying to return to the truck. This is our third day trying to row back. We've progressed 1,000 yards with about a mile to go. Don't know if we can last much longer. You can see our progress against the shoreline. Fortunately, we do have fishing tackle. However, that does not guarantee fish. Wish us luck on surviving this perilous journey. Dave, anything for your last will and testament?
I'm not coming back here again.
I'm not coming back. Update. Day 6 of trying to row back to camp in the wind. Dave has taken over as Jeff is completely famished now. All Jeff is good for is offering direction. Stroke! 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 Will they survive? Tune in for next week's report of rowing up the windy lake. Just so you can see, I am here. I am still alive, and Dave's rowing straight for the shoreline. Turn! 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 One more! Yeah! Uh-oh. You ever feel like you're piloting the Titanic? Okay, I'm going to move forward now so I'm not putting so much weight in the back. Dave and I found 3 volunteers to come for dinner today, even though we did row the equivalent of 50 miles in 1 week of time. 1 weekend. But this is our reward. Of course, Dave says that he doesn't want to eat any, but we'll see what happens. Yeah, Dave is calling my 12-inch trout minnows. Just get the backside. Huh? Hey, with the head on, that was an easy 12, that was a maybe 12, and this was maybe a 10. And they look delicious. So there you go. And they're just being fried in butter. And when I get them, when I plate them, then I'll decide what else to put on. Okay. So yeah, we did catch more fish than this. I think we caught, Dave caught one other fish.
We got 4.
4 total, but there's still tonight and tomorrow. Okay. We decided to have potatoes au gratin for our vegetable. And because my shoes are still soaking wet, I changed my socks and pants, but I didn't bring extra shoes. So I am wearing Ziploc bags over my new dry socks inside the shoes, and so my feet are dry. It's the mother of invention, and then we'll have a fire here pretty soon. Got some wood to get rid of here. But yeah, it's a good day today. We put out a lot of energy rowing in those winds. They were pretty good winds, and we had white caps on the lake. But it was fun. We had a good day. Caught some fish, cooked them up. Delicious. We have Dave's first fish of the day on the first cast on the evening round. And that's a good one.
I snagged his belly.
You did? Oh.
That's why it felt so funny. How did that happen, little guy?
Yeah. So Dave is going to try and unhook this guy.
Yeah, it's not that bad.
Yeah, it's almost like he got him in the butt.
Oh my God. Stop. I'm gonna let you go, but I don't want to kill you.
Yeah.
There.
Got it.
Nice little 10-inch trout.
Slippery little bugger. And he is out of there. All right, good catch, Dave.
First cast.
First cast. Now let me finish reeling in.
How the hell that happened?
Oh,
I caught him in the belly.
here's one of the crayfish that are around here. Okay. Okay.
Okay, here we have Jeff has pulled in a 12-inch. It's not focusing. It's very...
Just touch the screen where you see me.
Okay, there we go. Yeah. Looks like about a 10, 12-inch rainbow.
Yep.
So, anyway, Jeff, that's his 4th fish of the day. Trying to de-hook the poor little guy.
As you can see, it is dark out now. Dave and I had... won't focus. Dave and I had a pretty good day of fishing. There's Dave. See if I can get a focus. It does not like this low light.
Last cast of the day, by the way.
Boy, it does not want to focus at all.
Did you touch the screen?
Yeah. So anyway, you can see that it's pretty dark around here. We do have our flashlights to get back in. And these are pretty powerful flashlights. Fight. Feet. Fight, feet, whatever. F-E-I-T. So, okay, well, it is dark, and we're going to head back to camp and enjoy a fire and a beer. But we did catch, Dave caught 2 more fish or 3?
No, 3.
And I caught 1.
I got 3 more.
And all of them were safely released. Okay. We've got a pretty decent fire going here. As we say, we want to get this stump on top to burn. So we went full Casey Jones with the firewood underneath to get that sucker burning. But yeah, we had a very successful day of fishing. The day before was good. Had my trout dinner. It was delicious. Gonna have to do that again. And a little bit later we'll have blueberries and ice cream again. That was good. Okay. So yeah, it doesn't get too much better than this. Just hanging out here at the campfire, enjoying a cold one.
Cold one. We've got your belly.
Yeah, well, you're supposed to take the camera and point it at me so that he's seen. So we are both enjoying a cold one. That is these that I've had in the truck camper for 7 months now, and they are still delicious. So
Michelob Ultras.
Michelob Ultras, not bad. Kind of a slender little can, but all it's got to do is hold beer.
That's right.
Okay. There's Archie. Archie! Hi, boy! Here, let's go this way. Come on, bud. Here, boy. Oh. Arch! Arch! Archie! Hi, boy! That was my buddy.
He had a lot of good quality cone-free time,
Yeah?
but he still goes after his tail.
Yeah? What a dingling. Hi,
Oh my
baby!
gosh, Jeff, your ankles are, like, you're gonna have to look for a different kind of shoe bed.
Hi, boy!
Your ankles are, like,
Oh,
leaning
what a good
way
boy.
over to the right.
Well, that's alright.
It's really bad. I mean, you're not straight up and down at all. Your ankle's, like, cockeyed sideways. That's not good.
I'm old.
No, I know, but that makes it worse for you. You need,
Okay.
you need a sturdier sole. Are those the...
Oh, listen to that.
Is he purring?
Yep. Big purr.
He had a really good quality
Hey, boy.
human interaction weekend. You know, he slept all night long.
There's Archie in Kibble Stadium. He was doing funny stuff, but now he's more interested in me. Go get him, buddy. Go get him. Get those kibbles. Get those kibbles.
Did it just rattle loose?
Yeah. Get the kibbles. Get those kibbles. Get those kibbles. Good boy. Good boy. Everything revolves around the cat.